ಹಾಯ್, ಹೌ ಆರ್ ಯು? ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಓಕೆ, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಯು ಒನ್ ಗುಡ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಟಿಪ್ಸ್ regarding diabetic, how to control the diabetic. Today I brought you a traditional tips for diabetic controlling. Diabetic, different languages, different name. ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಧುಮೇಹ ಕಾಯಿಲೆ, ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ಕಾಯಿಲೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಇನ್ ತಮಿಳ್ ನೀರೆಳುವು ಸಕ್ಕರವ್ಯಾಧಿ. ಇನ್ ಮಲಯಾಳಂ ಇಟ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಮೇಹ, ಅಂಡ್ ಹಿಂದಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಟ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ मधुमेह. हिंदी में भी मधुमेह ये बीमारी का नाम है. मधुमेह वी कॉल डायबिटीज. So this natural remedy, it's just a plant. Naturally we can see this plant anywhere in India to control our diabetic very naturally without eating or drinking this medicine. This is not a medicine and you are not going to eat or drink. So this is a just very simple method and you can see a result in 8 days. 8 ದಿನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಕಾಣಿಸಬಹುದು. So how you are going to and what is that? I'll teach you. This is a very natural remedy. Here you can see that in my back of the TV screen. This is the plant. Everyone has seen this plant, I think.
In English, this plant name is called hag. ಈ ಗಿಡವನ್ನು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಕಡದ ಗಿಡ. In Tamil, this plant name is called Irakku Chedi. In Malayalam, this plant name is called Irakki Chedi. In Hindi, Madar. Normally we can see this hag plant everywhere. It has different colors in flowers. In this more medicinal value plants, flower color will be white. Hag plant in India, it's a holy plant for Hindus. It will be used for different worship in Hindu traditional. In hag leaf, such alkaloids are there. It is calotropin, ascarin, calotoxin, calectin, ascaridin and zeaxanthin. Such alkaloid of this leaf will control blood sugar level. No need to eat it or drink. Remember it very carefully. This leaf is not for eatable or for juice drink. It's very clearly for external purpose, not be taken for internal. How to use this hag leaf to control your diabetes sugar level? I will teach you the demo and daily follow this method next 8 days and check your blood sugar level. You can see the result. Up to 50 to 60 unit of sugar level will be reduced in your blood. Just simple method. Cut 2 big hag leaf and be careful, the milk that drains from hag leaves is poisonous. Do not let it to enter your eyes. It will damage your eyesight. Be careful with the children. Don't allow the children to near the plant. As I said, 2 big hag leaf to pluck it. Remember, be careful with the milk. And this 2 big hag leaf, you have to use it for 1 day, not for 8 days. Fresh hag leaf have more medicinal benefit. So, how the method I will teach you.
And before that, please subscribe our channel, like it. If you have any questions, please comment in the comment box.
fresh arc leaf. Every day you have to use 2 fresh arc leaf. So once you cut the arc leaf, wash it both sides of the arc leaf. After washing it, wipe it in dry cloth. Clean your both foods with clean water. And one more thing you have to remember, if you have any wound in your foot, please don't use this method. It not be suggestible. If you are working day or night shift, then you can use this method. When you are going to sleep, you are not suggestible to do this method. When you are going to sleep, remove this method and take it relax. Wipe your foot till the dry before going to the method. Water should not stay in your fingers also. And look at the method how to use the arc leaf. Back side of the arc leaf should keep in your foot palm. Use the clean socks. Remember, whenever you are on your routine life, if it is day or night, you can use it. But when you are going to sleep, don't use this method. It will not useful. Both the foot palm should be used same method. This method you have to use it regularly for 8 days and check your sugar level. You can see the result up to 50 to 60 unit of sugar level will be reduced in your blood. This method you have to use it for 8 days for day 6 hours. After removing the arc leaf from your palm after 6 hours, wash your leg cleanly. Day to day, use new arc leaf for 6 hours and check the level, you get the result.
This will be a very natural, this all be used as a traditionally from the years ago. And in coming days, we are coming new tips about the diabetes also. So take care, bye.